we wanted to create something special for the anniversary in which all of the colleagues could take part in.
People from different backgrounds coming together, also with the support from a lot of people in the office.
And at the same time we were thinking, how can we include and showcase our expertises?
So we were inspired by Michael Murphy's work, an artist who plays with perspectives.
Grasshopper allowed us to control flexibility and adaptability to be later tested in AR. So you put on AR glasses and you see augmented reality with the artwork in it.
So our founder, Arup, he had a sketchbook, and we used some of his sketches to make 3D models that we used in the artwork. We used a simplified design interface in which all of the colleagues could play and explore their own designs.
Where just with a couple of sliders everyone could really personalize their doodle. And then it was really a lot of 3D printing all the time, every week, every day.
Well, it was really a coming together of the digital aspect and the physical. It's great to walk past yourself, but also seeing how people respond, especially when they hit that sweet spot.
And I see a lot of colleagues playing with it, interacting with it.
I think it looks great.
And we can really be proud of it.
This artwork was designed by us, for us, and here's to what comes next.